What's up, YouTube? Alright, back with another video. I got a spicy one for you today. If you watched my last video, towards the end I mentioned that I got a new bumper. Well, this is the video where I'm putting that new bumper on and y'all get to see what it is. So, here it is. This is the C West bumper for the RSX. See down here? C West. Always liked this bumper, always wanted to get one, and I finally had the opportunity to travel and actually go get it. I didn't buy it brand new, but bought it used and it's really good condition, and I got it for a great deal. So that's what we'll be doing today, stripping the old bumper off. This one, as you can see, there's paint chippings and all that, but yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and strip this old bumper off. It's not gonna take me too long to do that. It's not really gonna take me that long to throw on the C West bumper. Overall, this video probably won't take long at all. But there should be no modifications to the C West bumper. You pay a good deal of money for it, so it should fit almost perfect. So I don't think I'll have any trouble with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this old bumper taken off and put that one on. Alright, so this is just a little side-by-side comparison here. It's your OEM bumper here, and then of course the C West. I honestly think the C West, if you measure it from the bottom of the lip to this point right here, same with that one. I believe this one's a tad bit longer or taller, which I'm okay with that. And just overall, those are the differences. You got the nice big corner coming out here. These fog lights, I'm pretty sure they won't fit the C West bumper. Not even going to try that in this video, but my main goal is just to get this bumper on. But yeah, this grill, again, won't fit. That's a lot bigger space down there. I won't be able to use the grill up here. So lower grill, upper grill, won't use. They already have a built-in grill on the C West. So yeah, a little side-by-side here. I like the C West because it's a lot more aggressive looking to me than the OEM. Not gonna lie, I do like a nice clean OEM setup like this, where it's just basic lip on lip with fog lights. But I do really like the C West. So, alright, I'm gonna go throw this on. So I ran into a bit of a problem trying to put this bumper on. You see right here, this little duct here going down is too long because I do have an intercooler on the front. I didn't even think about this. I don't know why I didn't think about this to begin with, but yeah, this is a lot longer than the OEM bumper. And even with the OEM bumper, I think I had to cut it a little bit. But yeah, I can tell this sticks way too far out. So what I'm gonna have to do, which I don't want to do, well, would not like to do, is I'm gonna have to cut this. This is a fiberglass bumper. All the C West products are fiberglass like this. So I'm gonna just tape it off. I guess Dremel it to cut it all the way down. I'm probably gonna have to take at least half of that off just so I could fit it with my intercooler. Oh yeah, so I was trying to fit it on. It just wouldn't go on. I was bumping into the intercooler. Sucks, but that's what I do now. Alright, so I think I'm eating my words when I said that there would be no modifications to the C West bumper, but of course I am boosted. This is meant for pretty much a stock RSX. You just take off your stock bumper, throw it on. But yeah, I am gonna have to modify this a little bit, and this is how I'm doing it. So I got this as close as I could to fitting on the front bumper of the car, and then I just used some tape to mark where my intercooler was sitting. So this is one end of it, so I don't have to completely cut off this part. But if I keep going and going all the way over here, yeah, there's gonna be, I have to cut this whole sidewall right here. But this sidewall doesn't. I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna try to get it as snug as I can without it actually hitting the intercooler, because I don't want to damage any of the fins on the intercooler. I started with 3 inches going back. If I have to cut any more, then I will. If I had cut a little too much, then it's okay. So that's the cut I'm about to make, is from here all the way, make that right 90, and come back. That was a chore. I didn't clean off my workbench so I can actually use it as a workbench, because I had to do this on the floor. But this is how she looks. This is the piece I cut off. That's the piece where it went. So I've got a nice clean line, that little elbow there. So I'm gonna go ahead and test fit this on. Hopefully I don't have to make any more cuts, and it'll just go on and we'll see how it looks. So close. You see right here, I'm actually touching up against just this one part over here. And what I'm really hitting on is my coupling right here for my intercooler. I have no more room. I have to cut this out a little bit more. Probably make a little half moon shape right here. Cut it out a little bit. And then cut maybe a ½ inch more right here. And we'll fit, because I'm almost lined up with the holes here. As you can see. Another ½ inch more, and then it'll sit snugly on my headlights here. Was hoping I didn't have to cut again, but just a little bit more. And that's the big key right there. So let me get to cutting. Alright, just mounted it for the last time, and I got it to fit this time. There's a little bit more cutting than I anticipated. But then again, I'm running a boosted car. It's not supposed to be boosted. Well, the bumper's not designed for an intercooler. And so yeah, I had to cut a little bit extra for the intercooler, and then cut a little bit extra for the intercooler piping. So down in here, if you can see it, not sure. So I had to cut right here, intercooler piping, and then part of this fog light here, I had to cut out a little bit because I have the rest of the intercooler piping. Once I did that, she fits beautifully now. So you can see, got the sides all hooked up, got my top on, and then this side. So that's what she looks like on. I'm gonna go ahead and air the car out, close the hood, and see how she sits with the car aired out. All right, she's aired out. Look at the clearance. Pretty close to the ground, aired out. I want to throw a lip or anything under that. Maybe a splitter. Let me know in the comments down below if I should add something to the bumper of this. Should I keep it stock like this? Well, not stock, but keep it like this, or should I throw a lip under here if I can fit one, or a splitter? But yeah, that's how she looks. All aired out. Alright guys, that's it for this video. It was a little bit more intense than I anticipated, but then again, I didn't foresee me having intercooler and issues like that. But overall, all you do is mark it up, cut it back a little bit, and you're good. If you're not boosted, you shouldn't have a problem. You should be able to just throw it on and be good. But yeah, that's how it turned out. Not too bad. Looking really good. In the comments below, let me know if I should throw a splitter on it, because I don't think I fit a lip on it, but so either a splitter or keep it stock. So let me know. That's it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see y'all next time.
Ryan Little.